In today's lesson, we want to look at this particular question. Question yedu could show that the summation of 2r plus 7 plus 2 to the power r from r is equals to 1 up to 12 is equal to 8,430. So how are we going to show this? Saka pane method yekutanga yandoda kukuratidzai isiri conventional, then tozoita a second method, which is actually the method I recommend. So the first method would be something like this. Ngatiti, we take the summation from r is equals to 1. It's important not lower bound yedu rutangira pana 1 up to an upper bound of 12 of 2r plus 7 plus 2 to the power r. Of course, todakushandisa the left hand side tuone kuti iri equal here to the right hand side. That is how we are going to show this. So this would be equal to something like this. Part here 2re. Actually, let us do it like this. Saka we know kuti we can actually distribute this summation. Kureva kuti pano ningayada iso from r is equals to 1 up to 12 of 2r plus the summation from r is equals to 1 up to 12 of 7, then plus the summation from r is equals to 1 up to 12 of 2 to the power r. Something in this order. Saka kana yada iso manje, we can then say the first part iningayava equal to 2 multiplying 1 plus 2 multiplying 2 plus 2 multiplying 3 and so forth up to 2 multiplying 12, like this. To add plus panapa, we have no other way but to multiply 12 times 7 to vatazoti plus 2 to the power 1 plus 2 to the power 2 plus 2 to the power 3 plus and so forth up to 2 to the power 12. Saka kuita nzira iyi manje iyo ine 3 marks, kureva kuti we should do it in 3 minutes or under. We take a lot of time. Saka I discourage this way. Which way then do I encourage? Nzira yandokukurudzirai kuti mudzidze inzira inoshandisa maformulas. Saka tikatangira panapa, the summation from r is equals to 1 up to 12 of 2r plus 7 plus 2 to the r is equal to, then ino yatanyora is the summation of 2r from r is equals to 1 to 12. Tinogona kunyora is 2 multiplying the summation of r, like that, and to plus, then from r is equals to 1 up to 12 of 7 to plus 2 to the r is equals to 1 12. Okay, so tiri apapa, this is going to be equal to, we know this formula. Let me write the formula down. Saka formula toda kushandisa pano nde ish inoti iyo, the summation from r is equals to 1 up to n of r inge equal to n multiplying n plus 1 over 2. Let me bracket this formula because of its importance. Saka formula yamufunga kuisiva, so ndo yachada kushandisa in the first case panapa. Kureva kuti tenge taanani na 2 multiplying, then what is n? N di 12. Sakapo it's 12 plus 1 over 2. Kana tada iso tatopedza the first part. Instead of kunyora kuti 2 times 1 plus 2 times 2 plus 2 times 3 plus 2 times 4 up to 2 times 12. Chero kutozvisa mcalculator unotoneta nekuzinyora mcalculator. Tinongozinyora zviri inside this formula. Saka tenge tatopedza the first part. Then the second part, we are also going to use this theorem inoti iyo the summation from r is equals to 1 up to n of a constant, let us say c, is going to be equal to cn. Let us also box it because of its relative importance. Sayendo yachashandisa page 2 panapa. Kureva kuti tenge takuti chi, tinenge takuti plus, then c ndi 7, n ari 12, tobva tati plus. Unfortunately, I don't know any formula yatingashandisa kusolve this part. Kureva kuti that part ndakutongoti 2 to the power 1 plus 2 squared plus 2 to the power 3 plus and so forth up to 2 to the power 12. But I believe there should be a formula. There should be a formula usable panapa. So I'm going to give it as a task, as your research, to search out kanatine a way of solving that part. So let us now solve the two parts we know, then panapa takutongoshandisa calculator. So this is going to be equal to 2 ino again cancel out 2 iyo. Got out tichasara tina 12 multiplying 13 yabva from 12 plus 1 plus 7 times 12 plus mukatora time yenyu kuita compute this part 2 to the 1 plus 2 to the 2 plus 2 to the 3 and so forth until 2 to the 12. Answer ya mchawana ichange iri 8190. That's the answer you get. Then 12 times 13 gives us 156 plus 7 times 12. What does it give us? 84. Then plus 8190. We are going to get 8430. And this is shown because in our question, Shanga Shanzi show that this sigma summation equates to 8430. Sachakakosha panapa kuziva this formula nekugona kuishandisa. Moziva this formula nekugona kuishandisa. Then panapa ndora tumite research muone kuti tine rimwe nzira yatingagona ku simplify this summation or that sigma operator. Otherwise, this is what we have for today's lesson. I hope you understood it well. If you want extra lessons or extra help, or if you want to ask us questions which you deem which are necessary for you to ask privately, get to us on WhatsApp on these numbers. Plus 263 is the Zimbabwean code, 071 521 3310. Kana muri Zimbabwe is just 071 521 3310. Thank you and have a nice one.